Number 1. Starting off, we find a 1978 Ford Mustang, priced at $3,000, with the location currently unknown. This Mustang offers a solid, rust-free body that is sure to catch the eye of any classic car enthusiast, especially those seeking a reliable vintage vehicle for daily use. The car is powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride. The air conditioning is an added bonus, particularly for a vehicle of this era, making it a pleasant option for both city cruising and longer drives. The interior of the car is well preserved, maintaining a clean and tidy appearance, a testament to how well it has been cared for over the years. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, this Mustang still has plenty of life left. While it may not be a fully restored show car, it is ready to be driven and enjoyed right now, with the potential to be enhanced even further in the future. This is an excellent opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history without breaking the bank. For those looking for more information, be sure to check the description. Number 2. Next, we find a 1978 Dodge Magnum, priced at $4,500, located in New Kensington, Pennsylvania. This classic coupe has been carefully maintained and loved by its current owner for the past 15 years, having been purchased from the original owner. The condition of this car speaks volumes about how well it has been taken care of, with 71,000 miles on the odometer and a solid history of upkeep. Under the hood, you will find a 318 V8 engine paired with a rear-wheel drive system, delivering a powerful yet smooth driving experience, typical of late 1970s American cars. The striking blue exterior combined with an automatic transmission adds to the overall appeal of this Magnum. Whether you are interested in the power and style that define this era or simply love the unique design, this car has plenty to offer. The owner is only parting with it due to an upcoming move and the lack of garage space. Now, it is ready for a new caretaker to continue its legacy. Be sure to check the description for more details. Number 3, moving on, we find a 1978 Mercury Marquis Brougham, priced at $9,000, located in Broadus, Montana. This is a true collector's dream, an American luxury car with an almost unbelievably low mileage of just 8,141 miles on the odometer. In pristine condition both inside and out, this two-door sedan is powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering the smooth, effortless performance you would expect from a high-end vehicle of this era. The interior trim is immaculate, showing just how carefully this car has been preserved over the decades. It is equipped with air conditioning, power windows, and power seats, providing all the luxury and comfort features that make driving such a pleasure. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, fuel pump, and gas tank, ensuring that it is road-ready. With only 2 previous owners, this low-mileage classic is a rare gem that would make a perfect addition to any vintage car collection. For more information, check the description. Number 4. Here, we find a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $1,000, located in Montevideo, Minnesota. This classic muscle car is being offered as a restoration project or for parts. Although it comes as a roller without an engine or transmission, its solid frame provides an excellent starting point for those who are ready to bring this iconic car back to life. The Cutlass is renowned for its stylish design and powerful performance, and even in its current state, it offers incredible potential for the right hands-on enthusiast. With rear-wheel drive and a clean title, this is a fantastic opportunity for someone looking to take on a rewarding project. While it requires significant work, finding a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass in any condition is rare, so it is a must-see for fans of classic American cars. Be sure to check the description for additional details. Number 5. Next up, we find a 1951 Chevrolet pickup truck priced at $5,200, located in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. This 3600 series truck is a true icon of American automotive history, a rare find for anyone passionate about vintage pickups. Though the 216 Stovebolt straight six-cylinder engine currently does not run, the truck retains much of its original character, including the classic 3-speed manual transmission. With 94,000 miles on the odometer, it is a solid candidate for restoration, with a body and frame in good condition, though there is some rust on the floors, and the bed floor needs replacement. The truck also comes with new cab corners and an ignition system, still in the box, ready to be installed. With excellent glass and a sturdy body, this pickup holds incredible potential for someone ready to restore it to its former glory. It is sold with a bill of sale only, so be sure to check the description for more information about this rewarding project. Number 6. Moving on, we find a 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $8,800, located in Burnaby, British Columbia. For those with a passion for restoring classic Mustangs, this is an excellent project car. The vehicle retains its original vintage burgundy pony interior, a highly desirable feature that adds to its authenticity and charm. With just 73,000 miles on the odometer, this Mustang runs and drives, but there is still work needed to bring it to its full potential. Recent upgrades include new floors, brakes, and a fuel pump, but the car is still a project, making it perfect for someone with the vision to complete its restoration. Whether you are a seasoned restorer or simply a Mustang enthusiast, this car represents a solid investment in classic American automotive history. Check the description for more details. Number 7. Here we find another 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $4,000 with the location currently unknown. This car is a dream for restoration enthusiasts, offering a solid foundation for someone willing to invest time and effort. Featuring a manual gearbox, this Mustang also boasts a solid frame and rust-free body, making it an attractive project. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, the car is in good structural condition, just waiting for someone to bring it back to its original glory, or perhaps to customize it into a unique build. Whether you are aiming to restore it to factory specifications or create a personalized Mustang, this car has the potential to become something special. Be sure to check the description for more details. Number 8. Next, we find a 1970 Ford Maverick, priced at $4,000, with the location unknown. This Maverick offers a fantastic platform for restoration or can serve as a solid daily driver as is. With a straight-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, this car is simple yet reliable, making it a popular choice among collectors. The body is rust-free, which is a rarity for cars from this era, and it has 90,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you are looking to restore it further or simply enjoy it as is, this Maverick is a great opportunity for any vintage car enthusiast. Be sure to check the description for more details. Number 9. Moving on, we find a 1975 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $6,000, located in Houston, Texas. This Malibu has definitely seen some use, with 450,000 miles on the odometer, but it still packs a punch with its 5.7-liter 350 V8 engine featuring dual carburetors. The car also boasts a rebuilt transmission, along with working air conditioning and heat, making it functional for everyday driving. There are some cosmetic issues, including a dent on the passenger door and some rust on the back panel, which would need attention for those interested in restoring it to showroom condition. Despite these minor flaws, the Malibu remains a solid vehicle with a clean title, offering plenty of potential for further restoration or customization. Check the description for more details. Number 10. Here we find a 1976 Ford Mustang, priced at $6,500, located in San Bernardino, California. This well-preserved classic car is a standout example of the 1970s Mustangs, featuring all original parts and paint. Despite 400,000 miles on the odometer, this Mustang remains in excellent mechanical and aesthetic condition. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a perfect choice for someone looking for a reliable, affordable, vintage Mustang. The original paint and clean title add to the vehicle's appeal, offering a fantastic opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate the value of a well-maintained classic. For more information, be sure to check the description. Number 11. Next, we find a 1974 Jensen Healey convertible located in Bradenton, Florida, available for $5,300. This classic British roadster is in good condition and has been maintained by the same owner for the past 25 years. Powered by its original Lotus 907 engine, the car runs well, and recent repairs include a new clutch, cam timing belt, front suspension rebuild, and a new water pump, all done within the last 3,000 miles. It features mini-light wheels and aftermarket seats, with the original seats and wheels included. While there is minor rust on the rocker panel seams, it presents a fantastic candidate for continued restoration. If you are in search of a character-filled British roadster, this Jensen Healey is a great find. Local pickup is required. Check the description for more details. Number 12. Moving forward, we find a 1955 Lincoln Capri, located in Santa Maria, California, priced at $3,950. This is a perfect project vehicle for anyone looking for a solid vintage car. With 77,000 miles on its V8 engine, both the motor and transmission are reported to be in perfect working condition. The seller is offering the car as is and is open to trade offers. It offers a solid foundation for restoration while maintaining its original style. For more information and details about this Lincoln Capri, be sure to check the description. Number 13. Here we find a 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible, priced at $9,500 and located in Andover, Kansas. This rare Super Beetle is in excellent condition for its age and is a solid Arizona car with minimal rust. While it runs and drives, it has been in storage for 16 years, leading to some oil leaks caused by dried-out seals. Recent upgrades include a new convertible top, battery, tires, master cylinder, brake cylinders, carburetor, and wiper blades. The car also comes with additional new seals and a detailed service manual. Most of the parts, including the seats, appear to be original. A tow bar and car cover are also included. This is a fantastic opportunity to own a classic Volkswagen Super Beetle. Be sure to check the description for more information. Next, we find a 1949 Dodge 1/2-ton short bed truck, located in Fresno, California, priced at $7,450. This is a true barn find, having been in storage for over 40 years. The truck features the original flathead inline 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, with the engine running when bottle-fed gasoline. However, it will require some mechanical work, including brake repairs, to be roadworthy. The truck has been repainted from its original red factory color and comes with additional features like a deluxe sun visor and dual spotlights. It is an ideal project for those who appreciate classic trucks. Local pickup only. Check the description for further details. Here we find a 1978 Chevrolet Cheyenne 4x4, available in Gardnerville, Nevada, priced at $9,999. This 1/2-ton short bed pickup is a classic four-wheel drive truck, upgraded with a 350 crate engine that has 36,000 miles on it. The truck features an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, though it is not currently hooked up. Recent improvements include new springs, shocks, and other components, making it a strong contender for either restoration or regular driving. The body is solid, and with a regular cab, this Cheyenne is a great option for classic truck enthusiasts. The seller is open to best offers, and more details are available in the description. Number 16. Next on our list, we find a 1952 Pontiac lowrider, priced at $2,500 and located in Sacramento, California. This is a solid barn find with minimal rust, making it a great project for classic car enthusiasts. The body and chrome are in excellent condition, having been stored indoors. The car includes a small block 350 engine, although it is not running or hooked up yet. Several accessories come with the vehicle, such as front and rear bumper guards, fender skirts, hubcaps, original seats, and window moldings. This Pontiac offers a fantastic opportunity for someone looking to restore a classic lowrider. Be sure to check the description for more details. Number 17. Now, we find a 1979 Mercedes 450 SL Roadster located in West Los Angeles, California, and priced at $9,000. This is a chance to own a piece of classic luxury with this iconic Mercedes-Benz. With 171,000 miles on its 8-cylinder engine, it runs and drives decently, having passed smog tests. The body is straight and free of rust, though it does need a fresh coat of paint and some tender loving care to restore it to its former glory. This Roadster offers a solid platform for someone looking to invest in a classic European car with a lot of potential. For further details, check the link in the description. Number 18. Finally, we find a 1974 Chevrolet El Camino, located in Sacramento, California, priced at $9,000. This El Camino is a rare find in excellent condition, powered by a 350 V8 engine with an automatic 4-speed turbo transmission. The car runs strong, with no leaks or issues, and has only 108,000 miles. It is also smog exempt, making it even more desirable. The interior is in immaculate condition, and the body is straight with zero rust. The paint is well maintained, with only minor chips. For those looking for a classic muscle car that turns heads and runs like a dream, this El Camino is a solid choice. Serious buyers only. Be sure to check the description for more information.